Today we are going to start the revision of the previous classes we have given you. First, today we are taking the topic tenses. As we know tenses in English, what do you mean by tense? Tense means in grammar those rules which tells us about the time of the work. Time of the work. When is the work taken place? This tells you the time of work. So, as we know in this topic, time is the main thing which tells us time are categorized into three parts. Three parts. Present, past, future. Present in Hindi we say वर्तमान काल. As I am teaching you at the moment, this is called the present time. Past, as I took birth many years before, this is called past time, that is called भूतकाल. वर्तमान. And the third one is the time which comes in near future, that is called future bhavishya kaal. All these things denotes that tenses means kaal, samay, which tells us about the time. This tense also tells us about the condition of work, whether the work is complete or it reached to some position of incomplete or complete or in running position. So we can divide work into four parts according to the status of the work. First one is continuous. Means the work is running, like running, dancing, singing, playing. Second one is perfect. What do you mean by perfect? That means no work has been left. The work is complete. Third is indefinite. As the word suggests us that we can't say whether the work is going on or it is complete, or we can't say anything about this third type of type. And the fourth one is perfect continuous. It means it can take both the situation of continuous and perfect. Means some part is complete and some part is in running position. Now, after seeing all this, you can easily categorize the tense into different parts according to the work and time. So we have to keep it into our mind that tenses mainly speak about time and work. So let's see what this thing tells us. As we categorize time into three parts: present, past, and future. And if we take this work, according to work, we can categorize work into four parts: indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. This tells us that present has four parts. In present time, the situation of the work in continuous position, in perfect position, or in perfect continuous position. Any of the four parts. The same situation goes with past and with the future tense. Now you can easily understand what I have told you. Thank you.